Hello ladies and gents, good morning, welcome back to the RC Biker channel. Thanks very much for tuning in as always. Today I'm out on my own. We've got two very exciting brand new models that you guys chose for me over on the Facebook page. If you haven't already joined us on Facebook, please like the Facebook page down in the comment section below. So I said a couple of weeks ago on there, which car should I get? Should I get the Hobao Truggy or should I get the Kawasaki Inferno Neo 3.0? After much deliberation and mixed thoughts from you guys, I actually ended up going for both of them. So today we're going to break in both of the engines. So we're going to start today doing the out of boxing video and the first start of this Hyper SS Truggy. So let's get it out of the box. So Hobaos are one of my favourite RC cars. They're definitely way up there in terms of my favourite brand RC car. Highly recommended, always very good quality, and I've had several of the Hobao Hyper 7s, so I figured that this one would be a great addition to the collection. So this is a 1/8 scale Truggy from Hobao in a beautiful orange body shell colour. Comes ready to run with a Mach 28 sized Nitro engine and a 2.4 gigahertz transmitter system. So let's get it out of the box then and see what we've got. Okay, so getting it out of the box then, first thing laying on top is the instruction manual. Okay, now within the instruction manual you'll find all of the parts information, so if something breaks on the car, this is where you would come to find out the part numbers that you need to order. Also, we've got a glow plug. Very nice to see. The older Hobao models didn't include a glow plug in with the price. However, this one, they are now including the glow plugs in with the cost of the kit. So you do need to fit it in, but that's a 2-second job, isn't it? But they do include a glow plug, and these cars take the turbo type glow plugs. So just remember, if you're ordering spares, you do need the turbo glow plugs. Next thing coming out is the 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Looks very familiar, so it's the same transmitter that I'm using on my Hobao, my red Hyper 7 that I bought. It's a 3-channel transmitter, pretty nice to hold. I'm not a massive fan of this style trims on the radio here. I find them a little bit fiddly, but that's just something and nothing really, isn't it? But yeah, so a nice 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Next thing coming out then is a bag of goodies. Now in here we've got the air filter, which you need to assemble. You've got the rear spoiler, and also this engine uses the new COPS pull starter system, so you've got the green handle for the COPS pull starter as well. So pretty nice. I'm thinking that the air filter is pre-oiled, so you don't need to worry about that. They've oiled the inner sponge, you don't need to oil the outer sponge anyway, and so that's already done in there. So only thing to get out now is the Truggy. So here it comes. So here it is then, here's the Truggy, and I think it looks really, really nice, finished in this beautiful orange body shell. They've wrapped the body shell up separately within this polythene bag, but I think it looks really, really nice in this colour. I don't think any other colours are available actually, but I certainly think that this colour is very nice. I do like the orange colour. Okay, so on the Truggy itself then, like I said, so we've got some nice big bore shocks, front and rear. Feel very, very nice. They have included some shock spacers in there as well if you wanted to put some of those on. The wheels do come pre-glued, so no need to glue the tyres, and they also come fixed to the car as well. We've got a 125cc fuel tank here, and Hobao, as good as they always are, have included a little fuel filter as well. Dual stage air filter, and one of my favourite engines, the Mach 28 sized engine. So that is all looking really, really nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just spend a couple of moments. I'm going to pop the rear wing on, I'm going to pop the glow plug in and get the body shell all set up, so that we're then in a position to start getting this thing ready for the first start. See you in a minute. So here it is then, a little bit closer up, the Hobao Hyper SS Truggy, featuring a Mach 28 sized engine. So here we are at the front, some beautiful big bore aluminium shocks, 125cc fuel tank. The servos on this one are digital servos. That's the steering and the throttle servo, both digital. Moving around this side, we've got the really nice Hobao Hyper tuned pipe there. with, of course, the 6-port Mach 28 sized engine. The only negative thing about this engine is that it features the COPS pull starter, which I'm not a massive fan of, because I think it's kind of fixing a problem that doesn't need to be fixed. I'd prefer just a normal pull start, but that is something that you can look at changing at a later date. Got the really nice black dished wheels there with the usual 17mm hexes, so nice and universal. If you want to put different wheels on, then you can do. One thing I like is they use this little spring mounted antenna tube, meaning that if the Truggy flips over, rather than snap the antenna tube inside the receiver housing, it's just going to spring back. So that's a really nice touch. Also a waterproof on-off switch cover as well, and a 2.4 GHz radio as standard. So that was the Truggy in just a little bit more detail then. I think it's now time to pop some receiver batteries into the car and get this one fired up for the very first time. So, little quick radio check then. So, radio on, this one on. I'm just going to check. Throttle's working. That's reversed, so we just need to reverse that one. That was easy. Let's just check with it off the ground. That's good. And throttle, and also brakes as well. Lovely stuff. Now I'm going to be following the Mach 28 engine break-in instructions. So in the next video we're going to do the break-in, how to break in your Mach 28 sized engine. And for this, I believe we have to let it idle for 3 tanks, I think, or maybe 2 tanks. I'm not 100% sure, but that's what we're going to do today with this Truggy. So probably take a little while to idle through 3 full tanks, but hey, that's easier, isn't it? Less effort than just driving it around. So I'm going to fill the tank with fuel now, and let's get this one fired up for the very first time. This is the most exciting part. Okay, so igniter in and COPS pull starter at hand. It's nicely preheated. Let's see how it starts. I'm just going to let it idle now for 3 full tanks, which is what the instruction manual recommends. If you want to know how to break in the Mach 28 sized engine, please make sure you watch the next video on how to break in the Mach 28 sized engine, which will work for any Hobao model that comes with that engine. So thanks very much for watching. Subscribe if you're new, smash the like button. Catch you guys next time. Bye for now.